Welcome back, heroes. We're going to be going over level 3, yellow stripe 1. So first, you're going to sit like a hero. Okay, so first, we're going to be going over the blocks, okay? So one of the first blocks is going to be a low block. And if you don't remember low block, just reiterate to level 1 so you can go over that information, okay? But now, we're going to be going over outside block. So when we do an outside block, okay, we're going to bring our right hand to our left shoulder, left hand to the bottom, okay? So when we do that outside block, we're going to go out, okay? So our palms facing out. It's kind of like a middle block, okay, but our palms are going to be facing out. And remember, our left hand's blocking, and our right hand is to our right hip, okay? Same thing with the other way. So when we bring it here, we're going to go left hand on our shoulder, and our blocking hand under, okay? So we're going to turn out, bring our left hand to our hip, right hand blocking, okay? So ready? We're going to go with this side, okay? So remember, right hand on our left shoulder, left hand under. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2. Good. Now the other side, switch. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2. Good. Okay, so remember, when we go to the other side, it's our right hand, okay, with our left hand on our hip. Okay, good. Okay, so now we're going to be going over X block. So when we do an X block, we're going to make an X with our hands, and we're going to go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, one more time with our right hand on top of our left. Ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you see, when we get here, we're going down, and then our left hand's on top. So it starts with our right, but then our left hand's on top, and then it goes out to the side of us. Okay, good. Okay, so now we're going to do a head height knife hand block. Okay, so when we do that, when we chamber for that, just like a knife hand, okay, but we're going to go to the top. Okay, our head height. So this is my right hand. So from here, right hand's on below, left hand is at my right shoulder. Okay, so from here at the same time, right hand's going up to my head height. Our left hand is at our left shoulder, or our left hip. Good. Okay, ready? 1, 2. 1, 2. Good. Now switch. Now my right hand's on my left shoulder, and my left hand is at my hip. Okay, ready? 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Good. So practice that as many times as you need to get comfortable with that. Good. Okay, so now stand up and 차려 준비. Your form is called 타육정. Okay, so when we start with 타육정, we're going to step out into a forward stance and ready, get prepared for a low block and low block. Good. Okay, so now we're going to do a back leg front snap kick. Okay, when we do that, it's going to be our head height. So we're going to kick, put our foot back into a back stance and outside block. Okay, now that's to our left. Now we're going to do 3 and 4. We're going to turn to our right. So when we turn to our right, we're going to pivot our feet into a forward stance, and we're going to prepare for that low block and block. Now we have our right hand, left hand on our hip. Right hand blocking, left hand on our hip. Okay, so now we're going to do that snap kick. So we're going to bring that leg up, back into a back stance, and outside block with our right hand, left hand on our hip. Right hand blocking, left hand on our hip. When we do that snap kick, we're going to kick with our left foot. Just remember that, okay? When we're going to 3 and 4. Okay, when we go 1 and 2, we're kicking with our right foot. Good, and borrow. Practice that as many times as you need to until you feel comfortable with that. Good. Okay, so now we're going to be going over your kicks. So again, formation. Okay, so first we are going to do a jump turning back kick. So when we do that jump turning back kick, we're going to jump with both feet at the same time. Okay, so to just kind of practice the jump and turn first, all you're going to do is you're going to jump both feet and twist halfway. Okay, so if we start with our right foot in front, we're going to jump both feet, land with our left foot in front this time. Okay, you're only spinning halfway. Okay, same thing with the other foot. You're going to jump with both feet, starting with our left, landing with our right. Good. Okay, so now for the actual kick. When we do that jump turning back kick, we're going to jump with both feet and bring our right leg around and kick straight back, just like a turning back kick. So, just like this. So we're going to bend our knees, jump, kick straight back, put that foot down. Okay, so here's a side view for you. Okay, so from here, both knees bend, switch, and kick. Okay, so that's how you do a jump turn back kick. So practice that until you feel comfortable with that. Good job. Okay, so now 360 turn back kick. This one's a little bit more difficult. Okay, so get in a formation. With your back leg, you're gonna bring that. You're gonna bring your right foot up. Okay, so right knee up. Then you're going to turn, look over your left shoulder, keeping your right knee up, and you're going to switch and kick. Okay, one more time. Right knee up, switch and kick. Good. Okay, so here's a side view for you. From here, right knee up, turn, and kick. Okay, so it should, in full motion, it should look just like this. From here, up, and turn. Okay, so practice that as many times as you need to until you feel comfortable with that. Good job. And that concludes level 3, Yellow Stripe 1.